In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a meeting inside of HoneyBook. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up HoneyBook like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to New up in the right hand corner and go down to Meeting. Then when you're clicked on that, it should be looking something like this, where you can create a meeting name. Then from here, you can add a date and time, and it will start automatically today and in today. You can also choose between all day or specific time of the day, where you can select the start time and the end time. Down here in the details, you can also add a type, where you can add in-person, phone call, video call, other, or personal. Down here you can also add a project, and here you'll see all of your already existing listed projects, or you can create a new project down here if you want to do that. You can also add in a description if you want to do that. And when you're done, you simply need to click schedule. And then from here, you can see you need to connect it to a project, where you can either search for a project or you can click no related project right here. And as you can see up here, meeting successfully scheduled. And there you can also click see the calendar and see that you have successfully created this meeting. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!